Mababait ang mga tao doon. Ako lang talaga yung medyo. Oo, hinag ko po. Ay! Hindi na pa kitang nasisi. Damayan niyo po. Ivan, kainin mo ang bato. Motivation? Chaities. Alam mo ba kung bakit Shamta yung pangalan? Because tonight will be the night that I would fall for you.
Know that I've been so far away. I've had a lot on my plate.
Good morning. So, yeah, good morning. So, yeah, it's a Tuesday. Ang kulo ng pajama ko. So, yeah, it's a Tuesday. And, ano ba ngayon? 6? Yeah, December 6. It's 6 days from the holidays. From that very long holiday. Dahil dyan, dami ko labahin. So, maglalaba ako today. Maglalaba tayo today. Damayan niyo ko. Because life is an endless battle against your laundry. Yeah, so maglalaba, and then we're going to open the gifts. Some gifts, we're going to open some gifts kasi yung iba, open ko na siya. Tapos yung iba, nakain ko na. And then, we're going to clean. Vanna will be here for a few days. Most probably, she'll arrive siguro mga 30 minutes from now. And then, I wanted to eat sa JT's. Kasi, ang tagal ng holidays. Hindi ko lang kain sa JT's. Gusto ko ng isol, yung pat ng manok, and sisig. Then, we'll make plans for 2026. Actually, that's it. So, ayoko na mag-summarize. Just watch the full vlog, and then, yeah, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. So guys, andito na si Vanna. Sorry, ang kalat ng bahay. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, naglilinis ako eh. Hi, Van.
Nang putol ng 2026 mo.
Tatakbo pero? Tatakbo. Anong kalukuhan to? Ang sarap nito eh. Because tonight will be the night that I would fall for you. Overworking. Your voice is the soundtrack of my summer. You are unlike any other. Oh, ang bait. Ang taba ni Flash. Bye-bye. See you later, love. Layas na siya. Hindi niya alam kung paano niya kakain. Yan, laki nito, mami. Wait. Tsura ni Flash. Ano? Di ka siya sa bibig mo? Hindi mo yan talaga makakain ng buo. Yun yung bitawan.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, so maglalaba. And then we're going to open the gifts. We'll make plans for 2026.
Pwede na.
Good evening. So, we're going to run with Vanna in Ultra. Time check, it's 7:37. And then later we're going to have dinner and yeah, go back. Ciao! Are you ready not to run or run? Run or run?
Walk lang.
Walk. Paano yung walk? Alam mo ba kung bakit Shamta yung pangalan? Yan o.
kasi nagtatanong yung tatay niya.
No! God, please, no!
Sabi nung tatay niya, anak, ilan ba? Sabi nung anak, tay, siyam! Siyam, tay! Ang kulit! Tay, siyam! Siyam, tay!
I left the hall light on in case you come back home. I said,
Where are we going?
Pagod na siya. Paano?
Parang hindi siya hinihingal.
Sorry na. Good job. Good job. Diba? Training kasi yun. Fini-face lang kita para habulin mo ko. May experience ko man lang may naghahabol sa akin. So yeah, we finished 5 kilometers. Now, we're just going to change top. May baon akong top. And yeah, we're going to walk to JD's. Motivation? JD's.
Meanwhile.
Wala nang... Oh, Jackstone yan, gagi. Uy, Jackstone nga! Oh, kaya ko pa yan. Oh. Jackstone! Walang stars! Kainin mo ang bato.
Huh?
Hindi na nakapagligtas si Dani na bumulong.
Ding! Kunin mo ang bato. Ay, wala.
Nakabot mo. Masyadong independent naman si Darna.
Iwanan ko na nga yun dito. Bye! Lalabas dito yung Dragon Ball. So how are you today?
How are me to find out? Thank you.
Oh, you need to find out. I didn't know. Ginawa nilang playground. Wala, binatukan niya yung white cat. Binatukan ng orange cat yung white. Oh, ayan na. Sige, laban.
Lion King, si Scar, tsaka si...
No one can truly see inside.
Hi.
I understand you. 살며시 숨을 보내도 지나온 날이 무색하.
More tilapia pa.
Someday I see the light. 잠시 눈을 감고 기억은
Ano? Tuloy mo. Boysen. Model ng Boysen. Hi guys. May kanta ako. Bago to, bago.
Unreleased ba yun?
Yes. Lit to pare, lit.
Parinig.
Maestro. Q. Okay, ito, totoo na. Ako ay may lobo, lumipad sa langit. Hindi ko na nakita, bumutok na pala. Sayang ang pera ko sa pagbili ng lobo. Lumipad sa langit, pumutok mali. Ang pangit ng lyrics mo. Ikaw ang aking linobo. Linobo!
Coconut nut is a giant nut.
Ano kasunod? Nakalimutan ko. When you eat it, you'll get very fat. Ikaw sasabihin when you... Take two.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. When you eat
You'll be very fat.
It's the coconut fruit
It's the coco tree.
from the coconut tree.
From the coco tree. Yan na, JT, sana bukas pa. Oh? Motivation? JT's.
Gusto ko ng isol, yung puwet ng manok, and sisig.
Guys, bukas pa pala yung tropical hut dito near us. So let's go! Tropical hut! Akala ko nagsarado na to. Let's go! So much memories. Business as usual. Oo nga! Naisalba. Are you excited? Behave. Anak, behave. Memories. Nung bata ako, nung high school, may malapit na tropical hut sa school. Tapos, lagi akong nalilate kasi bumibili ako ng pancake. Tapos, ang dami kong voucher dati. Buy one, take one yung pancake. Tapos pagdating ko, adi syempre may flag ceremony. Yung principal, nakikita niya, lagi, may dala na naman akong pancake. Yung late ka na nga, pa-pancake ka pa.
Hindi ka makakapagdahilan kung late.
Ang akin lang kasi, ang priority ko, yung pancake ko. Diba? Tapos ayun, papakantahin niya ako ng mag-isa. Na lupang
Mag-flag
hinila
ceremony
ko.
ka
Oo, mag-isa. Hanggang sa nasanay na ako, I don't mind na, basta may pancake ako. So, hi to my first year high school. Hi, St. Catherine. Dati siyang St. Teresa. Hi, di ba? Mababait ang mga tao doon. Ako lang talaga yung medyo questionable.
Hindi nakasanda.
Okay. Thank you to Kuya Lord na lagi akong tinatawid kasi hindi ako marunong tumawid. Thank you so much. Thank you to Tropical Hut doon na wala na ngayon. Ayun lang. Mema lang ako. Order na ako. Hot chocolate. Powder lang yung hot chocolate nila pero masarap ba? Nagbago yung nasa ng sopa sila. Hindi na siya kasing saya ng dati. Maliit na yung spring chicken. See? Dati malaki siya. Nung high school ako, ganyan siya kalaki. As in, big siya. Para siyang, actually half chicken siya. Tapos ito, oh, it's so small. Anyways. Let's see. Diploma. Congrats. Sinuotan ng medal. Ano?
Kasi may friend ako. Ang red sa kanya means go. Dati kasi siyang toro.
Friend mo? Puta natin tayo magkaibigan.
Na-FO ko sila. Hindi na tayo friends.
I am denying everything. That is not me. It's Roxy. Anong gagawin pag may nakita ka red flag?
So good.
Niyayakap ko. Ano?
Nakakita ka ng red.
Oo.
Ihahag.
Oo, hinag ko po. Ay. Kanina pa kitang nasisi.
Kamangiti.
Maipaint.
You are sad na naman.
Yeah. Gusto ko nung ganito na green and white. Yung collab nila with Stanley. Yung parang, tennis colors. White siya, tapos green yung handle and then the straw instead of red. Kaso wala na siya. Okay, it's cute. Yan, ganito yung color na gusto ko na parang Stanley mo. But yeah.
Nagalit bigla.
Naging ano,
Rockers.
nagbiglang naninira ng lalamunan. Feeling ko ganun ako kanina umaga.
Nag-vocal fry siya.
Ganun ba ako kanina umaga kaingay?
Energized na energized.
Ganda kayo. Ganda. Ganda.
Iba
Oo.
yung narinig ko.
Ano narinig mo?
Hindi ko nga rin maintindihan eh. English yung narinig.
I know that I've been so far away. I've had a lot on my plate. I know that I've been so hard to read, but I don't wanna be that man. I wanna do better by you. I wanna be better for you. No more taking you for granted. I wanna do better by you. Shed the old, embrace the new. No more taking you for granted anymore. So baby, please keep that door open for me just a little bit longer. Yeah, we could try to mend what is broken. If you just keep the door open. I've journeyed far from where I stand. Now I'm longing for change. I hear the echoes from this different man, but all his words are rearranged. So baby, please keep the door open for me just a little bit longer. Yeah, we could try to mend what is broken. Yeah, you just keep the door open. Oh.
I remember getting locked up in myself. That thing of loving was for everybody else. Lost and lonely, having hurt too many times. Gave up on hoping, thought I'd never get it right. It's all because of you. It's all because I have to tell you, baby, there's nothing more I need but you. It's you. There is no greater meaning. Nobody does the things you do. It's true. How we get lost in each other. Everything blurs when I'm with you. Us two. I wanna stay forever, safe in your arms. I know that, babe, you do me right. Boy, you bring me something that I never knew. A kind of happy I don't ever wanna lose. And when I hear you coming knocking on my door, all I think is, baby, I need more. I need more. It's all because of you.